Imagine witnessing the birth of a vehicle. Picture steel and aluminum parts coming together through high-tech machines and human craftsmanship to create a masterpiece like the Ram 1500. Let's open the doors to this fascinating process. The Ram 1500 is more than just a vehicle. It's a pinnacle of engineering and design. Its production takes place in state-of-the-art facilities, equipped with the latest automotive technologies. Robotic arms perform precision welding seamlessly, while human craftsmanship ensures top-notch quality control. The production line operates with sustainability in mind. Recyclable materials and energy efficiency are prioritized, with some factories even harnessing solar power. As the Ram 1500 rolls off the production line, it's more than just a truck. It's a fusion of technology, environmental consciousness, and human ingenuity. Through this video, we've explored the fascinating details behind its creation, uncovering the magic of automotive manufacturing.